Hey guys, it's Jamie with Badass Mama Gang, and I am back with another product review that is specific for a home workout. So today we're going to talk about, and I know when I show you this item, you're going to say, what kind of granola bar have you ate today that you think that is going to be for your home gym? It is. Hold on. This is what we're going to talk about. This, and you're like, wait a minute, that's a gaming system. It is. It is. This has hit our family like out of the storm. And I'll tell you, we've had this for just a little bit. And I was like, the husband was like, you should try it. And I was like, no, I have no interest in. And then he said the magic word. He said, do you know you can do a workout on this? No. So here we are. So I thought I would kind of take you along on my journey. We're going to open up the box. I'm going to show you a couple of accessories, talk about what this is, where you can get it, how much it costs, and oh, by the way, what I think is the best game right now that you can play that does have a trial. It is a monthly membership, but we'll talk through all those pieces. So first things first, what is this? This is an all-in-one, cordless, wireless, whatever term you want to use, virtual reality system. And you may hear the kids say, no, that's a VR system, like my hashtag VR. Okay, look, from one cool, uncool mom to another, this is a VR system. And so in this, what we're going to have is a headset that we're going to put on our face, and we're going to have two little hand controller things. I will tell you that when you go to look for this, first things first, you need to find a space that you can do this in, probably in a little bit private, because you're going to look like, you're going to look crazy. I'll insert like a little video of me playing a game so you can just, fair warning. But you may get some cool points with your kids that you're using a VR system. All right, so unboxing. I have actually taken this out of the box because in addition to this unit, we did buy a carrying case. And of all the accessories, I would recommend actually looking at a carrying case. It doesn't have to be this one. There's several different options that you can get on Amazon. This is just the one that we got at the store. Okay, so in the box, it does slide open, and you could use this as a carrying case too if you were storing it at your house. And then it just opens up, and this is where the headset was and the two controllers, and this is where it had the charging port. All right, so when you open up the carrying case, then this does come with a charging cord. You are going to charge the headset part of it. The cord is kind of short, so if you're one that you want to be able to play with it being plugged in or charging, you may want to go to Amazon and buy the extended version of the cord. It does have one of those little plug-in things, so you're not going to have to find like a USB port to plug it in. I don't know about you, but my kids run off with them nonstop. But this comes with its own. Amazing. All right, so it is going to come again with the headset, and it's going to come with two hand controllers. These have batteries inside of them already. You're also going to get one of these. My husband tells me that this has to do that if you're wearing glasses. I don't know, I haven't figured that part out yet. The only other thing I will tell you that you might want to grab is you may want to grab one of those little, you know those things that you use to clean your glasses with? That's all I have here. I had one. All I do is just kind of clean the lenses on the inside. Now, again, you're going to look crazy in this, and it's okay. Because remember, you're getting points for your kids for using a VR system. All right, so that's what this is. Where can you buy it? Okay, so you can get this pretty much anywhere. This was kind of a hot item there for a second, and it was hard to find them stocked on the shelves. But here lately, you can kind of grab and go. So if you get this wild feather like today, and you're like, hey, I have to have that, you can run into like your local Target or your Walmart, or you can always order this off of Amazon and just have it shipped to your house. There is a full warranty with this. Obviously, you can return it if you get it and you're like, yeah, that's not for me. You can return it back. I always say Amazon is a great choice because they do a really good job of returns. How much is this going to cost? Okay, guys, this is pricey. So what I am going to say is that if you're purchasing this for the sole intent of workouts, this may not be what you want to buy. But if you're purchasing this and multiple people in your household are going to use it for different things, whether they're going to play games, whether they want to go into virtual reality like different rooms and relax, if they want, there's so many different things that you can do with this, then this can be okay. But it is pricey. Okay, get to the price. So this comes in two versions. You can get a 64 gigabit or a 256 gigabit. The 64 is $299. The 265 is $399. This is in US dollars. And again, I purchased this one particularly at Walmart. It is 64 gig. So let's pause here for just a second and talk about what's the difference. I'll be honest with you, I had no idea. I had to go talk to the husband. So long story short, the 64 or the 256 is talking about how much storage space is actually in the unit itself. For most of us moms, you can get the 64. I got the 64 and have no problems. Basically what that means is we can have a limited number of games already preloaded on the headset. And if we wanted to add a different one and ran out of space, we may have to remove one temporarily and then just reload it when we want to play it. If you're one that you think you're going to do a lot of recordings or screencast, or you want to be able to have readily access to a bunch of games, then maybe go spend the extra $100 and get the 256. So is this really a good workout exercise, like fitness gadget thing? So I've been playing with this for the last 2 days, and I'm gonna say yes. This is one of those things that you walk into it, you can do a workout and you don't even realize you do a workout, and you're like sweating inside this headset, and you get done and you're like, oh my goodness, why? Because you're doing squats and you're moving around and you're jumping in the whole 9 yards. The really cool thing about this gadget is it's not just a face-on workout. So, you know, we're doing a workout on TV. We only see it from one area. This is like being in a totally different environment. You have a 360. You can turn all the way around, look up, look down. It looks totally different. So you're able to kind of immerse yourself into a totally different environment and be able to do your workout. So today in this video, we're specifically going to talk about one of the games or an app. It's called Supernatural. They have like blasted out on Instagram and Facebook and different ads. I don't know if you've seen this yet. It suckered me in. I was like, me. So I did get it. This is how this game works. It does come with a 30-day trial. So you can try it out, see if it is for you. If you're like, nope, that's not for me, no big deal. You can move on to the next game. In this particular one, it is $19 a month. So it's a little pricey, but the thing I do like about it being a monthly membership is there's like, you know, no contract. You can just cancel it at any time. It doesn't really matter how long that you stay with it. So my thoughts are, sign up for the 30 days, try it out, and if you like it, do the month to month, and when you get bored with it, you hit cancel and you go find something new. So in Supernatural specifically, you're going to notice right off the bat that it takes you into these beautiful scenes. Like you're out in the desert or you're on the water or beach. I mean, just that alone, like I don't even need to play a game. Can I just stand there and just, it's so nice. But in this game, you're going to have your own personal coach, and they stand right in front of you, and it's just like if you were in a room and somebody is standing right in front of you, and they walk you through, especially in the beginning, they walk you through exactly how to do it. I'll be honest with you, this game's pretty intuitive. You could probably figure it out with anybody even actually telling you what to do, but it is nice to have that coach there that kind of walks you through it. You will notice that your hand controllers are in your hands, but in the video when you're in there, it looks like you're holding two bats. And one is, I can't remember which one's what. One of them's black, one of them's white, and then your targets are black and white, and that is what you use to hit. But has you going up and down and squats and lunges and side lunges, and you're hitting and you're twisting and hands come up. So basically what I'm telling you is you're going to get a full body workout, not only with some resistance training, but also with some good old-fashioned cardio. So in this particular app, your coaches are going to walk you through your workout the entire time. So here's what I am going to say to that. If you start playing the game and you're like, these coaches are annoying, just know that is not an option you cannot turn that off. So you may want to like not waste your time and move on to another game. But the coaches really are amazing, because what they do is they push you, they say the right things at the right time. They just get you to work just a little bit harder, especially, let's talk about music. The music inside this, absolutely amazing. And it's almost like sound effects that go specifically. Did you like my sound effects? Those were alright. But the music goes directly with it, and you almost want to work harder so that you can get that particular sound effect that goes in, and the coach telling you, come on, let's hit this a little bit harder. It does encourage you to work a little harder in the workout. So each workout is tied to a particular song, and when you get to the end of it, it does pop up 3 circles that in essence gives you a score. If you are like a competitor, even with yourself, or in this game, you can also combine with your friends. You can compete against each other to try to get that score up. And it's all about, like accuracy and power and how hard you're hitting in to get you to those certain scores. Now, there are other options for games that are specific to workouts, and actually some of them aren't workouts, but they end up being a workout that I am going to try out over the next month. If there is a game that you're like, girl, you need to try this, please tell me, and I'll add it to the top of the list. But I thought maybe we could do some reviews and some games as this month goes along and be able to find what is the perfect workout. But I will tell you right out of the gate, especially with a 30-day free trial, the Supernatural really is one to put on your list. It was number one for me, but I would say top 5, definitely top 5 in being able to try a game that's specific to a workout where you're not going to feel like you're working out. Okay guys, I know this was kind of short and sweet, but I just wanted to pop on, show you this new gadget we got going on, and I am going to go put it on my face and do a song. If you guys have any questions about this one, or if there's a game that you're like, you need to go try that, let me know and I will do a review on it here for you so you can go, I want to get that, or no, that was a dud. I'll be the first one to tell you. All right guys, go be awesome. If you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Go have a great day.